Then after Skycontroller 1, Skycontroller 1 Black Edition, Skycontroller 2, Skycontroller 2 Evolved to Power Edition, Parrot Anafi came, and a new Skycontroller, even smaller, of course, came. The Skycontroller 3. Very small, but again the problem of not using a big tablet here. Okay, very portable. You can use a smartphone here, but why not a big tablet? Why? How can I use this here? I can't. So I have searched the eBay, and the only available tablet holder for the Skycontroller 3 was this one until now, when I made this video. And for me it's a piece of crap, because it's not practical. You have to, I'm going to show you, comes in a nice purse, but take a look at this. Okay, this is okay. You can put a big tablet here, but look at this. You have to mount all this stuff. It takes a lot of time and not practical. You have to unscrew these screws. Have to stretch this or whatever, like that. Damaging the Skycontroller 3. Like this, I think. I don't know. Then you have to put the screw back again, like that. Damn it. And you can lose the screw on the field, and you're never gonna find it again. Meanwhile, the battery is wasting. Then you have to put this. No, this one first. Wasting battery. Not a problem, isn't it? Okay, screw that. And then what the hell is this? Something is missing here or something. I have to screw this tight, very tight. Okay, then finally I can use a tablet with the Skycontroller 3. But then, look at this. Crappy. So I unmount it like that. Another waste of battery time. Unscrew that again. Oh, shit. Damaging the Skycontroller holder, the antenna, whatever. Not easy. Okay. You have to unscrew another screw, and there's wasting battery. Finally. And then close it and turn it off. And then again I searched eBay further to get another solution for my big tablet. And I found it. Here is the solution. Just this simple printed holder. Okay, it works like that. We open this, wasting battery anyways. Put this here, like that. This way. And now we just put the tablet in here and we are ready to go. Isn't it nice? This simple solution. And again, we can use it with the sunshade, sun hood, whatever the name of this, and fly happy, the Parrot Anafi. And if you want to buy this, look at my video description. There's the link to buy this tablet holder. They're in many sizes, not this one only. This is made for tablets 7.9 inches, like the Samsung Galaxy Tab and the iPad. But there's he made another holders with another dimensions.